Hi, it's Angel Shaver, Stampin Up independent demonstrator from Kansas, and we are here to make another card using the Gears and Textures stamp set. And today we will be combining it with parts of the current paper pumpkin April 2026 Lakeside Retreat. So I hope you have a great time doing this, and I'm going to point you down. Okay. I'm knocking everything over. That's not good news. Okay. Let me refresh the page so I can make sure you can see what I am doing. Okay. I have my stamp platform out, and if you are wanting one of these, the time is almost here when you can get one of these for yourself. Today we are using Misty Moonlight for the card base, white for the inside, and I have cut the front layer is one of the envelopes from the Lakeside Retreat paper pumpkin. So we will be stamping on one of the envelopes. And I am going to go ahead. I know I have my grid, but just for kicks, no, I'm not. I'm going to use my grid. Trying to think, because I want to put some of these in a row, and so I'm gonna want them to go this way. So let's see how I want. I'm not sure it's gonna work out quite the way I want it to, but we're gonna do the middle one first and then see what we think. Okay, I'm gonna put magnets on that, and we are doing some gears. We're making a pretty simple card today. Silly me. That's what I get for not paying attention to what I'm doing. I had it the wrong direction. So we'll do that right there like that. And then I am going to use gray granite and again, it's the wrong direction. You want the flat side to adhere to your platform. Okay, now I'm going to put gray granite on there. And stamp it in the middle. I'm gonna see what happens if I move it. Yeah, that'll work. I have to make sure that that magnet is not gonna be in the way. So that's where I had it, and if we move it down one, there we have that one, and then we're going to move it down one the other direction. We're making a very simple card today. Now, while we have that out, we're going to grab a sentiment from the Lakeside Retreat paper pumpkin. I'm trying to think what I want to say on here. I could really put any of them. Let's make this one a Father's Day card. Okay. So we are going to put Happy Father's Day right down there. And we're going to use Misty Moonlight, but I am going to pick it up first. Nope. This is supposed to not matter if you get some ink on this, because that's not going to touch, but I still don't trust it. Happy Father's Day. And you saw how much ink I had all over that stamp. Well, only the parts that are supposed to touch actually did. All right. And so that is our card front. Very simple. I'm going to add some dimensional or some adhesive silver metallic dots in the middle, but first we're going to add this one, which is the inside, and see what we want to put on it. We definitely are going to want to put the gear right over there. It doesn't want to pick it up without picking up the entire piece of paper. And that's not what I want. So we'll see if that works, but it just did work. So if it moved too much, it's going to be weird. If that's the case, we'll just flip the paper over and try it on the other side. I think it's going to work. And it did. All right, and then do we want a sentiment on the inside? Yes, we're going to put "You're an inspiration" on our Father's Day card. Going to do it in the misty moonlight as well. And there we have it. Alright, now we're going to move our stamp positioner and put our card together. Okay. So on the inside, we're going to glue the interior layer we made, the white layer for the inside. Then I'm going to use my bone folder to just make sure that glue is spread. Then we're going to glue on our card front layer. And remember, this is actually a part of the envelope from this month's paper pumpkin. This month's paper pumpkin actually coordinates with the Waterfront Retreat suite that is coming in the new catalog. May 5th, I believe is the day. And I am not sure if they have designer series paper that matches this exactly, but I know they have some that's pretty close. I'm going to grab my metallic pieces. I was just looking at them last night. Okay. I'm going to grab my take pick tool, and we're going to use the silver, I believe. And we're going to do 3 of them. All right, and there we have today's card. It's a Father's Day card using the Gears and Textures bundles, well, actually stamp set, plus elements from the Lakeside Retreat paper pumpkin. And there's the inside. I hope you enjoyed this. We